Alright, this is the second video. We're looking at questions 8 through 10. Alright, so here we have, it looks like we're going to have to work on both of these sides. They both look like they're not in terms of sine and cos, so let's go ahead and check this out. Okay, so tan is sine theta divided by cos theta, and then we're subtracting that from 1. And then on the bottom we have sine theta divided by cos theta, and we're adding 1. Over here we have 1 minus cos theta divided by sine theta, and on the bottom 1 plus cos theta divided by sine theta. Well, if you guessed a lot of common denominators, you would be right. Okay, so I'm just going to work on this side first, and then hopefully it turns out to look like something like this. So here the cos is going to be multiplied on the bottom and top, because cos divided by cos is 1. So we have sine theta, and we're going to have minus 1 divided by, I'll just take that extra step. Cos theta minus cos theta divided by cos theta. So it's going to be cos over cos, and then here we have sine theta divided by cos theta, and now plus cos theta divided by cos theta. On the top we get sine theta minus cos theta divided by cos theta. For these, like, normally it's just you have to take a leap of faith. That's pretty much it. And then you're just really hoping that you get both sides are equal to, and if not, you go back to the drawing board and you try it out again. So here we're going to do the flip. This cos goes up to the top. We can see that those coses are going to cancel out. And then on the numerator, we get sine theta minus cos theta divided by, because these are going to cancel, and then this will be on the denominator. That's it. All right, let's go see if we can make this the same here. All right, so again, we have sine theta. This time is going to be sine theta divided by sine theta. Cos over sine theta. All right, let's put these together. So here we have sine theta minus cos theta divided by sine theta, all over sine theta plus cos theta divided by sine theta. And just like before, when we do the flip, and I showed you that yesterday, taking two fingers and you put it here and here, and then when it flips, it comes, this one goes here and this one goes here, and then this one comes up top, right? Those signs are going to be canceling each other, and can you see that we get sine theta minus cos theta divided by sine theta plus cos theta. We get the same result. Left side is equal to right side. So that last one was a tough one, but you expect to have something like that on your test on Wednesday, something where you're working with finding common denominators. All right, let's look at question 9. This one's not that bad. So obviously we can't work on the right side, we're going to work on the left side. So tan is the same thing as sine theta over cos theta, and secant is the same as 1 over cos theta, plus cotangent is the same as cos theta divided by sine theta.
Mr. Coleman, please dial 3401.
Cosecant is the same as 1 over sine theta. Great, let's go flip these around. So we can see that this is going to be sine divided by cos multiplied by cos over sine, or cos over 1. So those coses are going to cancel out, and we're left with sine theta divided by 1. And then these signs are going to cancel out, and we're left with cos theta divided by 1. Do we get the same result? Yeah, left side is equal to right side. That's a nice easy one. And our last one, number 10. Okay, for this one we have sine plus tan. Let's change that tan. Tan is sine theta divided by cos theta. This is another one I starred. It takes a little bit of time to do. At the bottom we have 1 plus 1 over cos theta. Again, if it's looking like this, common denominators. So that cos is going to come up with a sign and divide by cos. So we got sine theta divided by cos theta, also times, right? This is going to be multiplied by cos theta divided by cos theta. Here, this is going to be multiplied by cos theta divided by cos theta. We get a sine theta cos theta, all divided by cos theta, plus sine theta divided by cos theta is equal to cos all over cos theta divided by cos theta plus 1 over cos theta. All right, let's bring some of these together. So we have sine cos plus sine all divided by cos. Oops. And then that, so all I'm doing here is bringing the numerator, of like this term together and writing it under the same common denominator. Same with the denominator's fraction. I'm going to write these all together under the same denominator. Okay, and as we saw before, this cos and this cos get canceled out, and we're left with the numerator sine theta cos theta plus sine theta all divided by cos theta plus 1. All right, and then here we have to kind of think for a second. It's not looking so much like sine theta, but it will momentarily. Think of like sine as like maybe like y and cos is x. So this is like y times x plus y. Well, we can common factor out that y, or that sine theta. That sine theta can common factor out, and what are we left with? We're left with a cos theta plus 1 divided by a cos theta plus 1. Okay, and those cos thetas plus 1s can cancel out because that's entirely cos theta plus 1. And we're left with sine theta. This was another one I starred. It's a good one. Left side is equal to right side, QED. And that's it for today. If you have any questions, please let me know and I'll make a video for you and send you how to do it. All right, so again, on Monday, please I'll post this again, but please work on your selfie assignment and send me a picture of what you have already done via email, Teams, and OneNote. We started that back on November 7th, so it's been 2 weeks. I want to see where you're at, and it's due on December 1st. We still have our test on Wednesday, review on Tuesday, and that's it. We'll see you back hopefully next week. All right, bye.